For those of you who don't know, getting your sign-off tickets is the best feeling in the world. So within minutes, packing was done, important documents and the cash collected, and here we go. Okay, so I'm going to miss this place a lot, but I'm also missing home, and can't wait to get back home. Like for 10 months I have been out, so super excited to get home. Okay, so we are heading for the customs, and after that we'll be switching the car. After the customs and other things are cleared, we'll just switch to another car which will take us to the hotel. For over there we'll have some stay, and then I wish to just explore the place for a while. So are you going to join us? Huh? Okay, it's fine, we'll explore it alone. I don't know, I don't want to sit in the hotel, so I'll just go and see the place. I've heard it's good. Okay, so our first little journey from the ship to the customs office has come to an end, and from here we'll be going to another building, and then we'll switch our car, and then that car will take us to the hotel. So now we have finished with the face check, the customs and other formalities, and the agent has already got our luggage over here, and now we got about 70 kilometers to cover. So my plan is to sleep the entire journey because I haven't slept for the past 2 days, and even in the evening I think I will need some energy to go outside, so it's better I go to sleep now. Then let's see, if I have the energy I'll just go outside in the evening and explore the place a bit. So after the 70 kilometer journey from Aliagarh to Izmir, we are finally at our destination. Wow, this hotel looks amazing. I actually slept the entire journey. Just at the start I took some clips, but otherwise I was just sleeping. Not exactly sleeping, but it was a nap, and it was peaceful. So here we are. This place looks good, and I'm definitely coming in the evening to explore this place. In the meanwhile, let's just check in first, and then let's see how the things go. I think it's lunchtime now, so first maybe I'll go for lunch, but this place looks beautiful. Okay, so now it's his turn to sleep, and in the meanwhile, I will just hand over the passport, and there's some kind of formalities over here, so just complete that quickly, and then go into my cabin, and let's see. First, I'll see how the cabin is. So I'll just fill this form quickly. Okay, so I've got 2 cabin cards now, one for each of us, and let me just keep my passport inside first because that is important. So here goes the passport. Okay, so my cabin is on the 5th floor, and now we're just heading to the cabin. Initially the plan was to go outside for lunch, but since we are tired, we decided to just have lunch over here itself. I've heard the lunch here is good, the food here is good, so let's see.